Do you offer detailed bathroom and tile grout cleaning before the sale?
Yes, our bathroom cleaning for pre-sale properties is one of the most detailed parts of our service. We know that buyers pay close attention to bathrooms, and dirty grout, moldy tiles, or streaky glass can be deal breakers. That's why we deliver a deep, professional level clean that includes bathroom inclusions, scrubbing shower screens inside and out, mold and mildew removal on tiles and silicone where possible, grout brightening and discoloration removal, polish of taps, fixtures and glass, deep clean of toilets, sinks and vanities, inside and outside of cupboards and drawers, wall tiles, floors and mirrors. We also use products designed to cut through hard water stains, lift soap scum, and restore your bathroom to a fresh hotel clean finish. A clean bathroom sends a message: this home has been loved. Our clients often tell us buyers compliment the sparkle and that it makes all the difference in closing a strong offer.